So I'm going to propose you guys a question, and in the comments below, I want to hear your answers or your opinions. Should that guy right there, Joey Savatgy, be able to race a 250 in 2024? Now, obviously, the rule that career pointed him out of the 250 class. He's been in the 450s for 4 or 5 years now, something like that, for a while. Well, he signed with Triumph to race the 250 in 2024. But because of the old rule that pushed him out of the 250s, it's been voted that he can't move back down. And this is where the opinion comes in my mind at least. I don't think he should be able to. Sorry, I like Joey Savatgy and I like competition and everything, but I don't believe you should be able to go to the 450s and jump back down to the 250s. And like, I know there's the futures, but to me, the 250s is the young class, whatever you want to call it. The up and coming, the young guys. You have 17, 18-year-olds. You shouldn't have guys. And I'm not saying Joey is super old or doing this per se, but I don't want to see the 250 class end up being the retirement class. You know what I mean? I don't want to see a bunch of 450 guys who either never won a title or 12 to 15 or the top 20 guys, making the night show but never really making any money, dropping down to the 250s to maybe win a championship, and you're beating up on like the rookies. In my mind, the 250 class should be the 17, 18, 19, 20-year old, 25 limit, whatever you want to call it. It should be those guys coming in from the amateurs. They do Supercross futures, maybe motocross, and then you move up to Supercross next year, whatever. I don't think you should be able to move back down. And this has been a problem with, you know, Davalos being out there for a long time. You still have RJ Hampshire's out there. Faulkner's getting old. You had Freezy move down. I just don't get it. There's nothing to do, nothing against Joey Savatgy. I think he's a great personality, great rider, and he's had some bad luck, but I just don't think that you should be able to go from 250s to 450s back to 250s. That's my opinion. But like I said in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think he should be able to race? Your opinion on the point out rule, or should people be able to move from 450s back down to 250s? Whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.